if you're into racing, especially dirt bike racing, you've probably heard the name Tim Gajser. Well, you probably should in general because he is a five-time now world champion. And as you can see right here, in a warm-up series, the Italian Championship, he was using it as a warm-up series for his 2023 mxgp season. Well, somehow randomly it looks like his left leg slipped off his peg, which with how sharp these guys run these pegs, it's kind of strange to happen. But he apparently did that. Obviously, you can see big crash, and well, he's broken his right femur, which is not a very easy bone to break. Very big bone, probably a very painful bone to break. And as of now, he's going to have surgery for it, and there's no real timetable, at least as I'm recording this, for when he'll be right or back to racing. But I'm assuming the whole 2023 season is probably washed away in the books, whatever, heal up and start again for next year. And it sucks because he is one of the faster guys. He's obviously a factory rider, a championship contender every single year. And to see him out in something that wasn't even his main race for the year, for being a warm-up thing. Hey, let's go race an Italian series, get some speed back under our belt, not just training on the track, but actually racing people. That's a way better way of actually gaining speed or getting back up to speed is racing people, because even if they are slower than you, you still have that competition side of it. I don't know. I hope he does well. I hope he heals well, heals quickly, because as somebody who I really like MXGP. The tracks are cool. The competition's incredible with the amount of riders they have, and you never want to see, one of the main guys. I mean, you never want to see anyone get injured, but you never want to see one of the main guys get hurt in a series that didn't really even mean anything, and just as a warm up for him. But hopefully he'll heal up fast, and we'll see him maybe the end of the year. I don't know, next year. But and tell me in the comments below, because this is MXGP related. Do you watch it? Is he your favorite? Do you have a favorite rider? Do you have a rider you think is going to win? Whatever it is you want, in the comments below, tell me that. And as you're going down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things the platform allows you to do, because obviously playing the algorithm game, it helps me a lot, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.